go pay, yours will go pay. Amen. Amen. I give you Benzi by December. I give you Lambo by December. I give you Prado by December. I give you Range by December. Oh yeah, I'm ready to do the wire. Don't forget to forward.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you guys how I installed this cute wig. So the company I work with today is QP Hair in AliExpress. They also have a website which is qphair.com. I'm going to leave the link down below and the direct link to this wig also down below. So I'm back with bags, but the good thing about this wig is that it doesn't tangle at all. Like it's not a lie, and it doesn't shed. Like look at it doesn't tangle at all. My goodness. Like, but what I'm not feeling about this wig is the bangs. Okay, it looks so straight. I don't know, something is missing, which I'm trying to find that I haven't found. But anywho, so yeah, this wig is very affordable. Okay, so yeah, I think it's because of the bangs. They are very straight, that's why I'm not feeling it that much. But yeah, let me show you the back of this hair. So yeah, but it's very soft. It's very soft. That's what I love about this wig. Okay, the contactless I'm wearing today is from COLORCL.com. Today I'm wearing the black edition, and this color is Romance Mandarin. I have a collection that I'm going to show you guys with an applicator and everything. You're going to love the video. So yeah, that video will be up soon. Okay, so my cuties, if you want to know how I install this cute wig, just keep watching.
Mr. Lecky on the beat.
If you like this video and this video was helpful for you, don't forget to like, subscribe right there, click the bell button over there, and share. And we'll see you in my next video. Bye. Yes, honey. Kind of Cleopatra look. Oh, yes. Gucci, do you like it? You like mommy's hair? Yes? Okay. A mi hijo le gusta. My baby likes it. Music time for music. Time for music.
I go show you focus. I go snap my baby focus. I go collect the Oluwamo. I go report.